And we've just been to Curzon's Hobbs Shaw Fast and Furious premiere. Caught a glimpse of Jason again. Fifth, maybe sixth time. But I'll tell you what's got the Rosie T car bombs adjacent to the site. Have a look at that. Ooh, that's one sweet Ferrari Crimson. Look at those lines, man. It is moving whilst parked. It is a direct reflection of the Cannonball Rosie T Carbons from the Rose Theatre site event, The Happening, back in '89, I believe. But there's been many others. 94 is likely, very likely, and 98 as well. 2001, I think. But look at that car. Yeah. Well, I've seen the original, one of the original prop cars that survived the series Magnum PI, the original, so that is definitely a little retro homage. Laters.